loila pai te zo se na bon chawin ni tha pha tuni chan ge ya class anna zom ki thi ringa in zin ama sa penin papa tin chu thangba na ekliven he tunin aban na zom kin tin atopic a hi le average mama a hin lecture na san na hi tain zani chun concept koi mo tam ta pi na jin ta bin tuni am hin chil be kining ho hin question number 49 and zin de the average age of a husband and wife who were married 7 years ago was 25 years nu pa khat husband to wife hi akum han to average in 25 years 7 years ago, that means 7 years apart. To our present to 7 years apart compare ki body na at the time of their marriage. Akisian ho na hin average to 25 hin na. Now the average age of the family including husband and wife and a child born during the interval is 25 years. Kumsagi sunga chun cha anai honin acha hon chu to ipa tha a hile average to 22 years an time. What is the present age of the child? Sa pangkat kung izan ham na. Diyan. A concept experience ham na. Husband plus wife average to 25 years nahi anahi so na 7 years apart. That means after 7 years kumsagi zo le husband hi ani ni honai kumsagi che kal akuman kumsagi che kal le so na 7 plus husband plus 7 plus wife kal ta jo kumsagi che kal hona jo kumsagi chi kal hona sa khat nei be hon chana chai sa khat nei be hon le average su 22 hi hitas average izana kimem thuma kim jo na thuma kim so thuma akim le ipi ki sei na ham average ila question in value chun case of addition chuna addition of the child khat an lut be a le average ke me tin so question ipi sei na ham ki le ahung lut be pa chapang pa hi akum hi average kum sanga hom joy tin husband to wife so na a hi le child hung lut be ta child an lut be a hi le average 22,000. That means child an lut pha na hin ama ayang 22 ama ayang 22 average hi je chon bon wa 22 teenage so average age so child la yang hi 22 hi teenage na 22 sanga form je teenage. That means 22 minus something ama chu ama kum ta something la ya something itiu chi pi ham tile total changes average so minus 3 average 3 came to na I the total changes to ya the tam 3 into numbers ya nam 2 chila na husband plus wife that means 6 minus 6 into that means 16 sapang pa kum just sapang pa kum sorry sapang pa kum 16 hinai lo na 16 hi do 16 imu chalai ahi le ajowa amasa e bol bangwin ga bol le hen mi za ham tu langa hi mi thumi ta na ami chu mi khana kal na amasa iti bol je mi ti le 2 into minus 3 na 22 into 1 yata 2 into minus 3 to minus 6 na 22 into 1 to 22 minus na bole 16 sidi ki bang na concept bi sa ga ko bo so am ni ai bo mong di ni lo so ahile 16 16 ni mu ta so 16 ni mu leo langa hi value chun husband a kum siki kal cho na wife a yang kum siki kal cho na kum siki chi akal le izat total izat kal tam 14 kal cho minus 14 na board ta chala na mu na minus 14 na bole 2 years na mu cho si first method en tai na ko the na ama sai ko ji bang so hen na chi chu confusing suggest mi yum ka o ba le second method en ko ni average formula IPM sum divided by number sum formula IP tam average into number na average hito into number of persons to 2 jo na sum that means total number of years jo na langai 22 ta jo 22 into total number of persons to 3 jo chita ji sang bin aki chi jo ding de na in ko na ai sin yo ai le 10 hi minus na bol ti ni 25 into 2 to 50 na 22 into 3 to 66 10 hi minus bol chun jata 16 na vela chun minus ka bol le lang minus ka bol lang yang minus bol chun vela chun h le h cancel ta na w le w cancel ta chun if you na ai hum ke le child plus 7 plus 7 na na child plus 7 plus 7 that means plus 14 tin so child kum si yarta 16 minus 14 yata 2 jo na that means suni pivot sa minus the ball jo 16 hum po chu child pa kum inai lo aji chu husband pa kum aji pa kum sigi kal wife kum sigi kal so ite ni kum sigi jan da do ngai 16 la jo chu pha le child pa kum po ta jo question number 1 we have written the average age of mother, father and son was 42 years at the time of marriage of the son. After 1 year, an infant was born in the family, and after 6 years of marriage, the average of the family became 36. What was the age of the bride at the time of marriage? Bride ti hi pi se nam ti le mo nu se ne na mo nu kum mi ho du ta a question hin EP given information EPP hamitile average of mother father son atapa hin g ane kum hin mother father son average 42 ahi ti first average 42 ki pe na ahile kum kha jawai cha nei tau cha ane jawa ahile kum gup jawa hin na of marriage the average of the family became 36 hilai 36 average si EP average ham iti ahile mother father son hi kum khat jawa cha achapa hin cha ne ya hile child pa kum yam ki count tha aban kitna awa tua atapa jinu kum yam ki tha ke pa thai tha cho 36 a average 36 average ya koi ki pa tham dile mother father son child plus bride oh amount ki pa thai tha. What was the age of the bride at the time of marriage? Akichian hona chun a bride kumi is at eating ham tis. Ele hilahin average hi 42 khat ki in abanin 36 aki in na 42 hi EP average ham iti ahile mother father plus son average na 36 average EP average samiti ahile mother father son plus sapang pa kum na kum khat jowa aki chen hon kum khat jowa cha ne hon na cha ne hon jowa tu 36 after 6 years after 6 year here kum khat jowa cha ne honai le ichi chapang pa kum ja de tam na kum nga he lo do na suppose ichi 2000 na ki cheman tai na ai chapang pa he 2001 na pi jo and after 6 years dile 2016 ai jo chapang pa jo wana pi na 2006 ai kum ja de ta 5 years lo do na ichi chapang pa hi kum ngai tai 5 ti yeng wi na ibide ngai am tele a chapang pa kum ki dong no chana bright among nu kum ki dong la hi mong nu chu w ti wi te women mother chu la met to na i ho du pa chu w ti wi te w ti wi tin ama ho average 36 but there is one thing that we should take into consideration kumgu jawati ne kumgu jawahi le amho mother kumi kumthum kalding e kumgu kalding jong kumgu kalding achapa kumyong kumgu kaldi na kumgu kalding that means khat kumgu 6 into 3 18 amo ho kum hi 18 years kal dis na achapa chula kum ngai ta plus at the time of marriage ati na at the time of marriage ni kum w hi sa lewen ichilai point ai w hi sa lehen w plus 6 itas na amo average 36 itai tis ai le w hol ta w hol ding bahil 10 ye minus volujun mfs wa yung ki kat ninde acha chena w le le imun du ta si average so na average into mi izan ham ni thuma di so na la mi izan na ham 1 2 3 4 5 mi nga so na multiply volujun multiply le chun 5 6 30 5 3 is 15 18 na See equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 1. Two minus 1 borchun MFSCC cut the na. That means 18 plus 5 plus 6 plus W equal to 180 minus 26 126 na minus 126 kita na 126 to 130 in dinga 4 kiwatt na 130 to 180 in dinga in 50 kiwatt na that means 54. Eighteen plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 6 is 29, minus 29, 9, 5, 25. $25 years. Mo nu chu akichen hon na hin 25 years hi. Question number 18. Question yung height in sumuitin. There were 35 students in a hostel. Hostel kana hin 35 students only na. Number of students increases by 7. If the number of students increases by 7, the expenses of the mess increase by rupees 42 per day, while the average expenditure per head decreases by rupees 1. If the original expenditure, find the original expenditure of the mess. A question hi ahet ha timin na hin la explain ni bor chai ting ule imi se clear detail is inem tile a question hin ahet ha na hi idang he point it bichu average an la dingam it bichu sama na la dingam average it bichu number an la dingam hi ho chu na confusion chu na het na hi le chu it is SEGS ABC ni ta ho a hi le is a question here team na dingin. Consider you are 5 friends. Mi nga noloy hoy to mi noloy ho no ho mi nga hi restaurant na utawe. Chan don go ve na. Chan don go win cha chu cheng som khat a hi tai te. Khon khana som khat. Mi nga ni win khon khana som khat chu na don tawe. That means khon nga. Izat sumizat na pi dingam. Expenditure is hitting up. Now 5 into 10 equal to 50. So na mi nga to number of persons so na 10 to ipiham tile mi khalin anieto azat so na 50 CPM tile expenditure na ahile velachun chi number ta cho CPM chi sum ide ta sum equal to AN so na average equal to sum by number or sum equal to AN ahile sum equal to AFC average diti ne ta to ji jo that means A is a number. How many students? 35 students initially na. If the number of students increases by 7 that means 42 is what na. The expenses of the mess increases by 42 per day. Expenses of the mess expenditure to ipitam hilahin expenditure to sum ta na. Si expenditure ta expenditure of the expenditure to increases by 42 per day. Rupees 42 in a color na. While the average expenditure per head, that is average say na ito. Oh, decreases by rupees 1. Average it head low yun 80 na. Decreases by rupees 1 minus 1 na. That means a minus 1 kisuta na. Hilahin sum to a and a into n sila na, a into n. That means a into 35 so sum ito 35a na. Hilahin hala nga sum second condition na hin sum to ipilitan dila 42 into a minus 1. That means 35a plus 42. So ipili ki banggam tila chila ki banggas na. 42a minus 1. Relation 35a 42a na. 35a hilang ay puletun minus sirta na minus 35a. 35 42 minus 35 से जाती हम 35 से 40 फिर नहीं nga के बाद 5 6 7. That means 7a na. 7a minus 42 equal to 42. 42 langa अच्छी दो पाल ले plus की सूरत है ना 42 into 2 से ज़्यादा तम 42 into 2 ज़्यादा तम 2 is 4 2 4 is 8 7 1 is 7 7 2 is 14. Average 12 ita na. A question in ipito ham. Find the original expenditure of the mess. Original expenditure of the mess. Expenditure to sum to na. That means original expenditure to 35a. Therefore, into a value to 12. 12 to 10 plus 2 details. Nah, that means 350. 350 plus 35 into 2 GPM 70 nah 70 that means 0 12 420 aban question simuhitin a question here regarding cricket ahikin na cricket kitse mahin a batsman na pusarakat player kanin batsman kanin has an average of 30 runs in his 42 innings. The difference between his maximum and minimum score is 100. If these two innings are removed, his average for 40 innings comes down to 20. What is his maximum score? Maximum score so isa ham kiti na. Ahila a question ni he team na dingin. Jam ha ang chun innings chung changin question ka in solve ta tin chi na solve kin hitin. Suppose imagine you are a cricketer na. Cricketer ka na itay. Ahile game ka na kichep mo ba chun first inning ta na. Game ka na kichep na betting na ball le first inning ta to. Ito hin nang man 70 runs na mutay na. Second innings that means nahong kichep kitawe next habi nahong kichep kitawe nahong kichep kinawen betting na ball kitay na. Yun nang nga second innings. Ito hin nang man 40 runs na mutay na. Ito ba nga chun innings za chum chum chun. Ahila question na sa hipi ham tele 42 innings. 42nd innings na hin. Run pa sa ilo na run is at ahyat do is sa ilo. Ahyat do sa ilo ahiwangin average. Atila bula pa na tana average yu ilan ham tele 30 runs in his 42 innings. The difference is between his maximum and minimum score. Maximum, suppose he ahyat do azat ahile si maximum ahil tao na. Minimum score, suppose minimum score he 30 hi sau de ichi ama dinga minimum tai na 10 minus abola hi le 100 aso 80 10 difference. If these two innings are removed, his average for 40 innings comes down to 20 na ichi 10 maximum to minimum hi remove a hi le 10 remove a average to new average become 28. That means average decreases by 2. What is his maximum score na hila maximum score hi is ham chi is ham chi a question se here thim ta ohile if you average ya if you sum ya if you number ham ti here tip ma rela chon la first inning second inning third inning ki cho na 42 innings chan that means innings ati pen chu I ho dinga number ta 42 innings na 42 innings ahin average is anam 30 ti cho na and sum to 42 into 30 is ulta na ahile abana say if these two innings are removed that means minus 2 chi piham tile maximum plus minimum na maximum to minimum kila to na that means innings 40 is ulta 40 innings average come down to 28 na his average comes down to 28 that means minus 2 na minus 2 ita sum is at data 30 into 42 chu sum is data na 30 into 42 is at tam 0 3 2 year 6 3 4 is 12 1 2 6 0 20 into 40 chu laya sum ki data na 20 into 40 0 4 8 is 32 3 in hand 4 here 8 9 10 11 1 1 2 0 first sum here chi second sum chu na hisilaya hi ipi kila do ham hisilaya pana hi chan hi ipi kila do ham tile minus maximum plus minimum kila to cho na maximum plus minimum kila do achim so cho na ahile that means maximum plus minimum chu is at nilita 1260 minus 1120 minus bola chun 0 4 140 na that means hiteni difference 140 ipi kisai nam tile 140 chu akila do teni chu ta that means maximum plus minimum a question is said so the difference between maximum and minimum score is 100 that means maximum minus minimum chu 100 है ठीक अहिले maximum hold ta na maximum holding ale quadratic equation tu ta cha namu ale chi itin solve di tam bikile equation 1 equation 2 equation 10 ni m na hold capital M na holding ale chi plus bol chun plus small m minus small m 10 ni cancel am ta na 10 cancel only twice capital M 10 plus bola chun 240 2 1 is 2 to 240 maximum is 120 maximum to 120 ta na ahile cricket chung chang question ana ball breaking hitin a batsman has a certain average in his 11 innings in the 12 innings he scores 90 runs and his average decreases by 5 after the 12 innings what is his average tiyahin ajuwa yung innings 2 isay tawin he diu khat chu innings iti phat le football lai han first half second half iti bito thakha hin na match khat hin ki chep chu suppose nang team chun betting na ball la he de chu no ding first inning hi na nang ki chem sai taw be next part na no ho chun bowling na ball du ta chu na ai le ti chu chiba khade nang ki chem be ke taw be next day nang ki chep be ke betting na ball ki no wa le chu no nanga ding second inning hi de oh betting na ball chu na nanga ding second a question sin nanga ding second inning hi first inning chu nanga ding betting na ball masat pen second inning chu ni ve na betting na ball na oh betting na ball wal nanga inning ki count lo ti na tabang a hi le hila hin vekit le hen ep chu average an la ding ep chu sama na la ding ep chu number an la ding ham ti chu ne he na hi le it is s is s a b c a ti ta in ta tom tom su na Rela chun number EPR number chu EPR AP hi number an la ha 11 innings 12 innings ati le hi chu number hi yeng so na 11 innings has a certain average until average ki pelo ti nei in the 12 innings na kana kal be so na 12 is utas in the 12 inning ahin he scored 90 runs and his average decreases by 5 average decreases by 5 kiti na ale 90 runs kiti pa hi some hi ranan la ta na ati lo la tang la di ta lo na 90 runs na that means sum to first sum to 11 into a 11a second sum to yeah the 12 into a minus 5 na that means 11a plus 92 ibida ki bangdam kile a plus 92 ipid ki bangding ham kile 12 into a minus 5 ipid ki bang so 11a 12a langan na tha to le a kha dom ta na 12 into 5 to 60 minus 60 khalang minus 60 na minus 60 ju langan na po to tin le plus 60 ta na that means 60 plus 90 ju 150 average to 150 a question in ipid after the 12 innings zo bahin average is at tam a minus 5 so na 150 minus 5 so 145 so answer question hot apoy mo exam ayo kitong sing cricketer related question khana put ke ditin cricketer related question he ya khat so tom kimi isi ina mikile kolte he cricket na ngor lagi je hin cricket thu an dong ji na je chun ane thim ko din a cricketer gives 12.4 runs per wicket he gives 26 runs and takes 5 wicket in a match after which his average becomes 12 per wicket how many wickets had been taken till the last match assign at sana to wicket is akilamity so na ai le vele chun a cricketer gives 12.4 runs per wicket khat na chun 12.4 runs api 80 ri ep sei na me tele la ya cricketer ati hi batsman assign hi pon bowler pa sei nei ta na ma so bowler nei ta so ball se pa ni le ball na se a hi le run na pi cho ama na het do a hi le run chi chu na run amu di chu 4 a het do a hi le man 4 amu ta 6 het do ra 6 amu ta cho hi chu banga chun nang man bowling na se na chun na that tai na bowling na tha masang si chun mi kha na tha masang si ji izat amu do zo bem suppose 10 runs amu do zo bem ti chu mini atha kit masang ahin 50 runs amu to man so na opposite team ho chu tabanga chun average hin ki count ta so 60 divided by 2 to 30 akitile 30 chu ipi ham tile 30 runs in 2 wicket ti chu na average helaya hichapanga chun lai average 0.4 runs per wicket 30 runs 2 wicket ahi aile that means 15 run 1 wicket na average achun mi khat atha masang si achun run som le nga apeto eti cho ahi le question ahin ep chu saman la ding ep chu number on la ding ep chu average an la ding ham ti chu he team ke nga na variation 12.4 runs per wicket ati chu par an ti ti po le ep se na ham red se nei so na it's a marker bangi 30 rupees a hile a red chu ep ke se ni 30 rupees per marker tile red ke se nei so na red is nothing but average aku tile chi average ta so na average chu ep ham sum by number so runs per wicket ti so na that means sum chu runs ti ta number 2 wicket से नहीं था runs per wicket ना average su runs per wicket aku tile इची wicket इची runs ना aku question say he gives 26 runs इची masa na chun 12.4 runs per wicket average is 12.4 so wicket si kihen lo in n tilang na hilahin 12.4 n hita so ahile he gives 26 runs and takes 5 wicket na run to 26 apiece ale wicket is a la 5 wicket na mi nga tha man na mi nga atha a run jang 26 run api opposite team pe ai le ipi se kinam his average becomes 12.12 per wicket average 12 ki sota na ai le lang hi n plus 5 ki so ding ipi ki data 12.4 n plus 26 ipi ki bang ki data 12 into n plus 5 na variation 12n so na 12n langai 12.4n 12.4n minus 12n so iya ni ta 0.4n data na 12 into 5 so 60 so na langai 60 yung so langai 60 yung so 26 langai na tha do le minus ite na 60 minus 26 so iya ding 26 to 30 hin ding a chun di ki ba na 30 hin ta 30 to 60 hin ding a 30 ki ba that means 34 that means n equal to 34 divided by 4 into 10 4 4 8 is 32 4 5 is 20 n to 85 है question in p to m n to wicket चला ना how many wickets had been taken till the last match so p हम सी so ना last match a wicket so n plus 5 90 na 85 plus 5 so 90 question khat aban na ball kin hitin question number 55 in a certain year kum khat hin the average monthly income of a person was rupees 3400 for the first 8 months of the year his average monthly income was 3160 and for the last 5 months it was 4120 his income in the 8th month of the year was na ahile a question hi value chun ipi numudo athiyam itile value akipi in na value thum akipi in first value ahin second value ahin third value ahin na value ho hi ipi ham itile average ngen average ipi average ham itile average for 1 year, there is 12 months adding ahin average to 3,400 each. Now second average is 3,160. 3,160 he EP average ham itile average for 8 months. It months adding in average to 3,160 each. 4,120 ही EP average कितना मिले for 5 months. Five months average to 4,120. Ahile a question na do kini his income in the 8th month of the year agit chan nahi chu na agit chan namona income chu ipi ham iti chu average ki dong ta chu actual value pa ki dong ta so not average pa ki dong ahile value chun 12 months su ipi ham iti le 8 plus 4 so na 8 plus 4 change chu 8 hi le helai ge 8 hi le next 4 months be so na 12 months hin ding chu a hi le helang hen 5th month langa panai nong sima hi le 5th month ki so 5th month chan 4120 so that means 8 month hi ni ve na sim thi ne chu khatlanga na sim le 8 chan kha ve ne sim khalanga nong sim ki le khat ve ne sim that means 8 plus 5 to 13 13 hi le kum khat na symbol di nei jo na khat na symbol chi ipi tha ham iti le hi chala 8 pai jo hiti ai na sima hi le khat ve ni sim ta hiti ai nan sim ki na hi le khat ve ni sim ki ta ni ve ni sim ti nei jo ai le hi chi pen chu value chu ipi ham iti na tin ne het na dinga chun average value jo na average chu ipi ham ti le sum into number so na sum by number average to sum by number so ahile sum chu ipi ki tam average into number na chi formula si iman tu ta kum khana ding achun income chu ja ding hitam kum khana chun 12 months so na 12 into average value chu 3400 na thi jo eight months ading achun income chu ya ta 8 into 8 months ading achun 3160 na for 5 months income chi आता 5 into average value chu 4120 na si multiply la chun value import ta chu value import in 10 multiply ki la chun value ni import ki ta chu na 10 ni na gop ding he 10 ni na gop ding hi chi ta na te ka iza na tam se na be chu atam zo na zat value chu it mon na pa income ni ta oh required answer pa ta ahile value chun hesite ni lagop ti na multiply bol chun 0 8 6 is 48 4 and 11 is 8 plus 4 12 8 3 is 24 25 5 0 is 0 5 2 is 10 1 in n 5 1 is 5 6 5 4 is 20 na ite ni gom le chun ija na shooting 0 8 8 5 4 si multiply le chun 3 4 0 0 0 2 into 0 0 2 4 is 8 2 3 is 6 0 0 8 plus 4 10 4 4 0 8 double 0 izana tamen jite ni minus bolta izi izana tam je na aji chu langa pa hi hichilai chen hi ni ve ki sim so na hi je chun minus na bol ma ta 4 5 double 8 0 4 0 8 double 0 8 0 0 5 0 8 0 5 0 8 0 2 income for the 8th month. Acha in again question for anobol 18. The average of the marks obtained in mathematics by 5 students is 50. Later it was realized that the marks obtained by one student was read as 84, though it was originally 48. That means 48 heading to 84 agi so na. That means error the bong thing so error to tamla di ne so find the correct average. Average di pa so is a ham. I la question in value correction na bo di ne so na 84 kiti to 48 na quality ne so ani le atila 84 ni to 248 hi ai le izana decrease dam 6 36 marks are decreased di ne so na 36 marks are decreased. That means 84 se pyam adi lo pa jo correction nan bol so na 84 to 48 nan di ai le 36 nan la do di ne so 36 na la do chu ipi se na ham ke le total is a new ham total number of 5 students so na 5 students here 36 to minga na hop di ne so 36 to minga hom le chun iza za na chang de ham mi khana chu iza za na chang de ham na abulanga chin eb se jum a b c average a etu na a etu be ai le langa hin plus 2 average 2 gom le chun lang hin a a chun plus 2 kya maintain b a chun plus 2 c a chun plus 2 minus 2 bol chun hi chapang chun ai lo le minus 3 bol chun lang minus 3 heading c a yang chu thum kila do ti nei cho chi concept chi man nu ta cho total chun 36 kila do ta 36 kila do dinga hele average value is a kila do ding ham na lai 36 hi hilanga hin total ai kila do so suppose 2 kila do ta na abon 2 che kila do ta that means langa hin total is a kila do mt le 2 into 3 times so na 6 kila do 80 so ai average value ai ja kila do mt le 36 divided by number of students so 5 is a nam 5 7.5 so na average value is 7.5 kila do 80 so average value langa hin 7.5 2 khela chun lang in 7.5 la to ding langa 7.5 langa yung 7.5 ci yung 7.5 kila to ding bi yung kila to ding ai yung kila to ding average value ahin average value a jong hin 7.5 kilo do ding ti nei jong correction nan bor phat oh 7.5 an kila do le original la chun average is an ham ti le 50 a hi le minus 7.5 bol le chun correct average pa na mu ta is an ham 50 minus 7.5 is an ham 5 7 8 9 42.5 na je concept base ai khu a hi le ASN method in correlation 5 students na average to 50 na average 50 ai le correction nan bol phat le number of student ki kheti lo jo na average of the marks obtained maths by 5 students is 50 later it was realized that actually must be yes it for students in the and the correct average na ji average di lo pa na average di pa chi lai ta correct average then you multiply bol chun 5 is 25 250 na correction nan bol phat le 84 in the lado oding 48 na hab lu na hele changes is ham 36 so na 36 kilo do ti ne so 84 so adi lo pa so adi pa chi pi ham 48 so that means adi pa home zo so na adi pa home zo a hele decrease che ti ne decrease that he dam pele minus number 36 so na that means 36 decrease che ti ne to da la pa na aji chu apo do la do pa lin zo so na na bu pa sa na a hi le izak su da ta 250 minus 36 su izak ta 250 minus 36 su 4 214 sum so na average in calculate them average to sum divided by number so na sum to 214 number to 5 214 divided by 5 is ham 5 4 is 20 5 2 is 10 5 8 is 40 42.8 5 8 is 42.8 elahin 5 7 is 35 5 7 is 35 5 2 is 10 7.2 so na divide na bole 7.2 hi le 7.2 bona 7.2 kilo do na average so 7.2 kilo do chit le minus 7.2 ju ya chirta 50 minus 7.2 ju 42.8 na concept base ana khu na hele na kan the ASN method ni simple to simple in ayin ba ne kha time taking ba 42.8 a concept base lang sa be explain kit go lahen a question in EP sayam error ki so na error su 84 mark calculate ki bon na hin 40 so this 84 ki sun kha so a hi is correction nan bola hele 84 remove in 1840 na hab the thing so that means na remove partially in so alet so a hele minus bol 36 kilo to be the thing correction na bol pha oh 36 total 36 so total marks kilo to ode ale average value 36 average value 36 so minga hom ta divided by 5 if minga divide to bol ham tile average mi khat chia hi izat mark kila to m ti chi whole divide bol 7.2 that means mi khat chia 7.2 la do chu ep de ki bang ham iti le average langa 7.2 kila do kha da hi ai average so originally is 50 so minus 7.2 origin 42.8. This will be the correct average. Okay. Chan chu hintin average on in a chai tawin session average on session li lecture li ai in average sunga I het thei lo now ai lo le calculation ke bon adi lo imu do kha owa hele comment box in rung sit in sharing bo pi lang I het thei lo now ta lang adi lo na ta lang hichi I bol lo I cover zo lo different type of question a concept different question concept na het kha owa no sharing bo le chun discuss bo ki thei hi doubt session ko ki thei hi chu ka ga se ge lap ki ni tin revision about jing hitin half an half ko hitin chu aban tin discuss ki thei jo hin lo wa hi le next session pa hi next topic chi ha ding o hin a topic hi time and work min time and distance min arithmetic section chu ho hi no apana request an lo wa hi le aban cha kan cha ha ying ding hin ai no ho apana na de topic ai le se jin lang ti chu nowadays chu chi thei hi ti chu ga se kin en lang tu ni ani nga chu chan chu tan tin okay pai